in New Jersey, right?
I want to feel myself on the beach, so not Timberlands.
Oh, there's one.
No, they are.
It's so low.
Yeah, this isn't it though. But...
See him over there? Nice one.
It's like fire.
Nice one.
I think I grew up on Long Island.
It's funny, the fire yeah, everything looks so small. Yeah. We're not even that high up. Yeah.
You want to see him?
Here, I'll be nice and warm. Yeah, maybe they're really low.
Show's over.